Introducing the Brabender TwinLab 3040 Twin-Screw-Extruder. Combining pilot-scale performance with lab-level control, TwinLab takes you from setup to scale-up in record time. Validate formulations, screw setups, and process conditions while recording data across all critical parameters, from torque and temperature to pressure and throughput. Designed for tight spaces, TwinLab features an integrated drive that delivers continuous compounding up to 100 kilograms per hour. The most compact extruder in its class, it's quick to install, easy to relocate, and integrates seamlessly into any trial environment. Reduce downtime and maximize productivity. TwinLab's unique clamshell barrel opens at the push of a button, providing quick access to the process area for faster screw changes, easy cleaning, and inspection. The split liner design lets you swap critical components in minutes without dismounting the extruder. Simply loosen the bolts, exchange the parts, and return to your trial. For full visibility and control, the industry-leading MetaBridge software puts everything you need at your fingertips. Monitor the extrusion process from any desktop or mobile device and control the entire line in real time from one interface. MetaBridge logs each run automatically, tracking and visualizing key parameters for easy comparison, reporting, and export to support confident development and process transfer. Thanks to its engineering interface, integrating pumps, sensors, and third-party devices is simple. Digital and analog signals are configured in the software without hardware changes, and new components can be implemented seamlessly to ensure full flexibility as requirements evolve. The Brabender TwinLab 3040 Twin-Screw-Extruder. Pilot-scale performance with the precision of a lab extruder.